On the job site, every day is different. At the end of the week, do you ever wonder where all your tools and equipment are? Job sites can be busy. Job sites can be messy. We're here to help manage your assets, your safety regulations, and your equipment's return dates, so no tool goes missing or is forgotten. And no worker spends hours searching for stuff. So no productivity is lost, which means no money down the drain. Hilti On-Track Asset Management offers the transparency you need for more efficiency. With this solution, tools and equipment can easily be tracked, no matter where they are. Now you can organize your job sites better than ever before, no matter how many there are. So you can allocate, track, be compliant, and in full control. Let Hilti be your partner on your journey towards change. Empower your productivity and your efficiency. Get on track.